Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song. It's the newer Blake Shelton song, I think. I don't know if he's got a newer one since then. But anyway, it's a great song. So please hit like and subscribe. Request other songs you want to learn in the comments. I'll be happy to get to them when and if I can. Okay? The song is in standard tuning and has a capo on the 4th fret. All right? Also, if you have questions, let me know in the comments. This song is pretty dang easy, so it should be a fairly quick lesson. There's only 3 chords in the song. So the 3 chords are, and you can do whatever G you want, but I use this one for the song, so it's G. Okay, then after that you're gonna do F. All right, and then C. And then you usually go back to G. All right, so the way that the song starts, the strumming for it is, and by the way, I'm gonna put a disclaimer on there because sometimes people are like, hey, that is not exactly how the song's played. I'm not saying this is exactly how the song's played. This is one way to play it, okay, with the chords and stuff. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you how you can play it and sing it at the same time. So here we go. So it's G, you just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It takes my breath away. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so when you play the intro, now this one, the intro is not like super loud, so you can just kind of, it's a little bit loud, but not super loud. You play it twice with no lyrics. So you just do G, F, C, G twice with no lyrics. So now I'll repeat it. And then after you play it the second time, then you're gonna go into the verse. I would play the verse a little bit softer. That's what I would recommend. So you're gonna do, yeah, I met you before anyone knew my name. Okay, so then you play on playings where you do F, playing for pennies on the dive bar stage. Split, split, and all stars where you do C, all star special, and on our first day in a waffle. In a waffle is where you can do G, in a Waffle House booth. Your daddy was crying when he gave you away, cause so all is F. All those country songs I played, they didn't come with a 401k, but hey. So hey is where you do G, hey, I had you. Okay, so you're doing G on hey. Then you're gonna go into, you can make a 6-pack. 6 is where you do G. 6-pack on the carpet, tastes like a million. Million is F. So this is like the pre-chorus, okay? $1 million bill. You can make a 1-bedroom. So 1 is where you do C. 1-bedroom apartment, feel like a house. House is G. House up on the hill. You can make it, and you're gonna stay on G. You can make a truck out in the driveway, roll like a cleaned. Okay, cleaned is F, cleaned up Cadillac. Girl looking at C, looking at you, and looking at you, look at me that way, can make a man. Man is G. Man feel rich on minimum wage. Okay, then what I would do is when you get to this actual chorus, I would go louder. Girl, your love is money. So money is where you do F, because you're gonna stay on G until you get to money. Money, your love is money. So the second money you do C. Money, yeah, your love can make a man. Man is G. Man feel rich on minimum wage. You stay on G, okay? Girl, your love is money. So you do the same thing. Money is F. Money, your love is money. Second money is C. Money, yeah, your love can make a man. Man is G. Man feel rich on minimum wage. All right, and then you're gonna go right into the second verse, and then after that you do the second pre-chorus, second chorus. During the solo, the only thing to remember is I would just keep playing it the same. In fact, I'd probably play it louder during the solo. You're gonna do G, F, C, G. All right, so in the actual song, you would play that twice. If you're not playing it with someone accompanying you or whatever, do whatever you want. If you're not playing with another guitarist. So you don't have to. But anyway, I'd probably end the song on a G chord. Just do a single strum like that. I like to end the songs like that a lot when you just do this. But it's up to you. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or other songs you want to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.